Isaac Newton says, "What goes up must come down." Charles Kingsley said it even more beautifully. The world goes up, the world goes down. The sunshine follows the rains, and yesterday's sneer, yesterday's frown never come over again. Guys, I have a very nice story for you. But before that, please help me liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to the channel for more videos. So, Paul and Chloe were neighbors. They were never good friends. One day, Chloe saw the smokes coming up. She looked down and saw Paul was burning tree leaves. She said, "Stop burning that tree leaves." But Pop smiled and said sarcastically, "What can I do in this? The smoke always goes up." Chloe got angry. She went inside the house and brought a full bucket of water and poured it over the leaves. This time, Pop got angry. She started shouting. To this, Chloe said, smiling, "What can I do in this? The water always flows down. Water always goes down." Pop didn't know what to say anymore. She went inside the house. Guys, I hope you like this story. I hope you learned something from it. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. At the end, I wish you a very happy, healthy, wealthy, and peaceful life ahead.